this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have a healthy and easy, very fruit salad recipe for you. Our whole family loves it, and I'm sure yours will too. And so let's get started and I'll show you how. For our fruit salad, we're going to need an apple, some blackberries, strawberries, and some cherries. And first we're going to wash the strawberries and then core them. And I like to use a nice little paring knife. For this blackberries, we're just going to give them a rinse and drain them. And for the cherries, we're going to wash them and use a cherry pitter to pit them. And I really like this cherry pitter, it works well. Then we have the apple. We're just going to cut it into quarters and use a melon baller to take out the core. And then we're going to dice it up. Then to the bowl, we'll add some strawberries that we prepped, the blackberries, the diced apple, and finally the cherries that have been pitted. Now we'll make the honey vanilla dressing. We'll just take the vanilla and add it to honey with a little bit of water and give it a good whisk to incorporate it well. And we'll just drizzle that over the fruit. And then using a wide spatula, I just tossed the fruit with the dressing and then just plate it up or put it in bowls. And that's it. That's all there is to making this very fruit salad. And if you like the printable recipe, you can find the link in the description and head over to the blog at Frugal Family Home for more easy recipes just like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.